Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on Bloodborne Pathogens-Medical. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Bloodborne pathogens are microorganisms found in bodily fluids that can be transmitted from person to person. It is very important to avoid contact with bodily fluids that may be contaminated with bloodborne pathogens in order to avoid potential diseases such as hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and acquired immunodeficiency syndrome from human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. This lesson will focus on bodily fluids that may contain harmful pathogens, contamination, safe work practices, and what to do in emergency situations. Blood is not the only bodily fluid that can be contaminated with bloodborne pathogens. Healthcare workers must use equal caution when it is reasonably expected to encounter the following: semen, vaginal secretions, cerebrospinal fluid, amniotic fluid, peritoneal fluid, pericardial fluid, pleural fluid, synovial fluid, saliva, and any bodily fluid visibly contaminated with blood, and all bodily fluids in situations where it is difficult or impossible to differentiate between body fluids. Any unfixed tissue or organ other than intact skin from any human, whether living or dead. HIV containing cell or tissue cultures, organ cultures, and infected culture medium solutions. Contamination can also happen in a number of ways. 3 common ways workers are exposed to bloodborne pathogens are needle sticks, cuts from other contaminated sharps such as scalpels or broken glass, contaminated blood coming into contact with the eyes, nose, mouth, or cut skin, and human bites.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.